So today I will be doing another nail tutorial. I recently went to Sally's and I went in there just for a gel builder, but then I stumbled over this Pro Dip by Super Nail, and it was only like $30 some. It comes with a base and top coat, an activator, a brush cleaner, and one little dipping powder. And it also comes with a nail filer. It has like a soft side, which is probably like the 180 grit side, and then it has a coarse grit side, which is probably like the 100 grit side. And it comes with some nail foils so that you can take off the dip powder and these little styrofoam cubes. They also come with the it also comes with these sticks to you know, once you remove the dipping powder, you can just use the sticks to remove any excess dipping powders on your nails. I sometimes use it to push back my cuticles and so forth. And it has the instructions inside the package. This is what the package looks like. I just went ahead and took my products out. It says you do not need any LED/UV lamp. It's odorless, quick and easy, and it wears up to 21 days. So it also has, I forgot to read it back. It says it's easy to use. It says it's easy to use, no LED or UV light needed. It's odor free, and the most important part that I like is that it has calcium and vitamins in it. So it has the instructions. It tells you what's included in the package. It has step by step how to do this dipping system. I also like how it has, if you're having trouble with using the system, it says dip powder is not, it's giving you different scenarios. So like, for example, dip powder is not sticking to the base plus top coat, and then it basically providing you an answer on, okay, well, how can you fix, you know, whatever issues you may, what common issues, because they don't have like everything that may go wrong with, you know, applying the system, but just, I guess, common issues that you may experience, or what some people have experienced. They have like the questions and, you know, answers to, you know, whatever the common issues people been having. And then it also has the removal process and the brush cleaning process. So I like how they have this in their instructions. I've already done this hand. Super cute, like look at the color. I'm in love with the color, like in love. So if you wanna see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I've already pushed back my cuticles and buffed my nails. So now I'm going to use my bond and apply that to all 5 fingers and put these. So the first step is the base coat and / top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to go to my next nail, and for the most part, I'm just going to repeat this process about 2 times. So I'll probably speed up this this process. sides of my nails look pretty good. So I'm satisfied. Make sure the sides look good. You know, you didn't miss any spots, and we're done with that step. So the next step is the activator, and this is going to harden the nails so that you can shape and file, buff, whatever you need to do with your nails after this step. So I'm going to apply this to my nails now. And I just have my little jealous LED light here so that I can, you know, rest my nails on something. And so you guys can also see. So with this, I make sure that I have enough, and I just slather it on. So I'm making sure that I'm activating all parts of the nails, especially on the sides, because you don't want, you know, any of the color coming off when you're filing or buffing your nails. So. Now I'm going to just file my nails, and I'll be right back. I already have a video showing how I file my nails using the dipping powder, so I'll leave that in my description box. But for the most part, it's the same way. So the next step is basically the top coat, and I like the fact that they have the base and top coat together, but I don't like this as a top coat. I really don't. I like to use my Jealous foundation and this top coat when you know, adding that shininess, that gel look to my manicures. So for this part, if you want to do this step, you will need an LED light. So yeah, I'm probably going to speed this process up. I'm just going to apply my foundation to all 5 fingers and then cure it.